We're here for the West Georgia Skills Challenge. This is being put on by the West Georgia Workforce Alliance. This is the group of contractors in this community who recognize their biggest need, their biggest demand is workforce. So we put on these challenges to give them an opportunity to demonstrate what they've learned. They'll be in carpentry, electrical, plumbing, masonry, and welding, and blueprint reading, which is an important aspect of our industry. If you have a craft, if you have a trade, you're never going to lose that, and you can take it with you anywhere. And additionally, here we're going to qualify these students to move on to the state Skills USA competition. There's always going to be demand for construction just to repair what we own and what we have. But then as a state and as a country, as we grow, and this state's growing at a phenomenal rate, there's going to be demand for new stuff. And this is an industry that you can build something and drive past it every day and look back and go, I built that.